Well, it's time to sharpen the blades on the bad boy 54-inch mower. I got her jacked up, and I'll get some tools here and we'll get with it. Okay, we'll see if we can't put a little edge on these blades. I try to sharpen these blades often enough that I don't have to put a lot of heat on them when I sharpen them and take the temper out of them. So what I'll do is I'll get them like 3/4 of the way there or close to it, and then I'll take a file, and that way I can try to maintain my 30-degree angle and take them nice and flat. You got to keep them pretty sharp this time of year. I mow commercially for some people, and the grass is just so stiff and hard, you can't cut it, it'll lay over. And so you got to have these blades just real sharp. And if you put anything more than a 30-degree on them, every rock you hit, it takes a chunk the size of your fist out of them. So I try to maintain it about 30 degrees, and if you can tell when you're putting a grinding stone to it how you're keeping it flat. But a lot of people I see are grinding with these flapper discs, and it's hard to keep that blade flat. If it's not flat, if it's rounded at all, it's not going to cut right. If you see that blade changing colors at all, you're getting it too hot too, and you're going to take the temper out of it. You can see we've got a nice edge on that, on both sides of it. And I'm not going to bore everybody with having me watching me do all the 3 of these blades. So I'll do the other 2 blades and we'll go from there. Okay, we got a good edge on all 3 of them. And now comes an important step I like to do, is balancing them, make sure they're balanced well. And I've already checked these and they all balance out, but I just wanted everybody to see what I was doing. You can see there it's setting pretty good. That's one. There's two. It's setting well. And there's number three. And it's setting well. And when you go to install these blades, this trailing edge that goes up on the blade, that always goes to the top. When you're putting this on, you bolt. I'll show you here real quick. It'll go on just like this. Those edges being up like that lift the grass up. It creates a vacuum in there and sucks the grass up to where you can cut it off straight. And I haven't been mowing lawns forever, but I've been in maintenance for 50 years. I worked on a nuclear power plant, and I served an apprenticeship as a pipe fitter. I worked at Goodyear for 21 years in maintenance. And so, I know something about maintenance. And I won't ever try to steer anybody wrong. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to put these back on the mower and go cut some grass. And I'd appreciate a few likes. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful, blessed day.